Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be continuing with GBPGPY backtesting part 2. Let's go back to the naked. I left a little marker here for us so that I can remember what we were 2 a.m. 14th of March. Let's go to the date, the 4-hour time frame and look for that day. The 14th of March at 2 a.m. Oh, the Wi-Fi is slow today. Okay, let's open that up. 2019, 14th of March, 9 a.m. Cool. I'm going to use the replay button here. 14th of March. 14th of March. Around 9 a.m. We'll just do 7 a.m. It's hard to find. Yeah, cool. We'll just do 7 a.m. for now. Okay, cool. Let's zoom in a bit. So this is the 14th of March. Okay, I'm going to take it back to the day before the 14th, so the 13th, because I want to understand kind of what price is doing on the daily time frame. Let's remove all of this stuff here. Okay. So you have a level here, level here. We're actually now testing this zone here. You could say it's this zone, or you can say it's this zone. It's kind of like a 1, 2, 3. There are more touches here than here. I think this is a little bit more accurate. Move this quickly. I like what I'm seeing here, that these kind of candles, these are kind of very important daily candles. There's so many important levels on the daily time frame. These kind of 2 levels, but I don't have like multiple levels everywhere. So let's jump down to 4-hour time frame and we'll see which one seems the most relevant. Okay, so I'm going to choose this level right here. So right now what I want to see from price is it either come back and retest and shoot up or shoot down, right? So I'm really watching. Oopsie, ignore that. I'm really interested in what price is going to do. What I'm seeing here is that it's actually respected this level, right? Which tells me currently we're kind of in this really kind of a big range here. So really going to watch price here and what it plans on doing. We're going to break out, break in. Okay, I like that. 1-hour time frame. Like that move, a very strong move. Okay, but I need to go all the way to the 14th of March, 10 o'clock. Cool. My only problem is we're right here at this level, right? I can enter a long. Let's bring this back down here. Okay. This would obviously be the best place to enter a long, right? The risk-reward ratio is better here than kind of selling up there. So I'm going to wait this one out. Usually I'd kind of be aggressive and long here, put stop somewhere here. But I think I'm just going to chill out, be a little less aggressive. You see what I mean? We came all the way down here. Perfect. Now I kind of see that move up. Let's see. Oh, we dropped hard. That's fine. So we're kind of back again in the zone. So it's kind of a false break out of the area. Okay, what I'm kind of seeing here on is an information, and usually what we can expect from an information is a continuation upwards. But let's go back up to the 4-hour time frame so we can just monitor kind of what price is doing. Okay, so on the 4-hour time frame, it's a completely kind of different scenario. It looks more like a pullback, like some sort of a correction. But let's get a bit more confirmation on that. Okay, I'm loving the wicks that we're seeing. We're kind of respecting this level. Let's go back up to the 1-hour time frame. W formation, give me a little bit of a long. I just really don't like that we are in this zone 2. So I'm looking for, okay, we're still in the zone. We're still in the zone. Yeah, we're playing in the zone. Go back up to the 4-hour time frame. We're still playing in the zone. Up down. Okay, let's keep watching. Ooh, I kind of like that. Wait, I wanted to see how that looked on this time frame. I would have liked it, but I don't like trading in the zone. I would have liked that. I just want to see what that candle created for us. Okay, that would have been good. I just want to see. Okay, very interesting. Cool. Go back up to, ooh, not the daily 4-hour. My mistake. Okay. Let's watch price. Price is currently stuck in the zone. I don't like trading in the zone. I like to wait for price to tell me what it wants to do, then trade in that direction. So we're going to give price time. There we are, finding support. Okay, if price can break above the zone here, I am interested in a long. Definitely interested in a long. Ooh, look at that. We're respecting it. We're respecting. Shoot up. Cool. Drop down to the 1 hour time frame. Look for an entry to the long side. Cool. I even like this. Right here, we're going to enter a long. Right around here. Stops just below here. My question is, why are you entering if we're still kind of in the zone? Okay. I love that we came down and we retested the zone, right? We respected support, and then we even had the strength to break up above this area. You can see right here we had a little bit of consolidation. If you can see, I can show you. Right here we had a little bit of consolidation, which means we were kind of at a war. Are we bulls, are we bears, are we bulls, are we bears? And we kind of managed to actually break up above that. So my bias for now, right now, is definitely to the long side. I'm going to be a little bit conservative and say once we reach, this area around here, I would love to put my stops to break even. Again, price can continue lower, and that's okay. So 1% loss, I won't die. Okay, that looks like we okay. 1% loss. I can take it. I can take it. So let's redo this. What did I see before? Okay, we have 1% loss. So what I saw initially was we came down from a resistance, right? Then we respected a support. We had brief. So I then break above minor resistance. Oh, my spelling is delicious. Resistance. Resistance. Cool. That's what I can say I saw. Alt S, save that, stick it in. We always want to know why we got things wrong. Let's write that negative 1% is out. Okay, cool. Dropped onto the 1 hour time frame. What did I see here? I just traded the breakout, to be honest here. Traded the breakout. Going to stop loss to break even at purple. Okay, cool. Alt S, save that. So I kind of want to understand what I guess went wrong is what you could say. I want to go with the idea that we're actually still in this range, right? We're still moving in the zone here. And I guess I should have waited actually for a breakout on either end. It's okay. You live and you learn. So this is right now we're doing 1 hour after. Okay, so let's play that. Who took me out? That candle. Cool. So what I want to say is here. Should have, because we were still stuck in range. So should have stuck to the plan and waited for breakout on whichever end. Whichever end on the 4 hour. Okay, that's fine. Not too upset. Manage my risk in theory, 1%. Just trading that range, I guess. Was my biggest mistake. Let me just drink some my coffee. I don't want a scratchy voice. Oopsie, mistake. Alt S that and save that. So probably once I'm done with 2019, or I'm at least halfway through 2019, I want to go here and review all my trades and kind of see why some trades were profitable, why some were losses, what was I missing, what did I see, and kind of try and come up with a very concise way of describing the strategy that I'm using. Okay, so back. Oh, okay, cool. Okay, so we fell. So I want to come. Okay, I'm gonna do this. Then I'm gonna do this. Cool. We fell. To summarize, we fell pretty hard, and something I kind of want to see about this video. Kind of 1, 2, 3. Okay, there were signs of the decrease. You can say, huh. So there's this new concept that I heard from some of the traders that I follow. I'm not going to say what it is yet because I'm still kind of getting to understand it, but it's definitely something I want to kind of keep in my mind. I want to see if it's kind of obvious in these backtesting. Here, if I can see it, if it's obvious. No, it's not too obvious. You only took a piece of it. You can't really see it on this time frame. But you can definitely see it at play here on the 4 hour. So I'm going to take another screenshot of this just so that I have it, right? Let me do this. Cool, picture taken. I'll just format that quick clip. Screenshot showing concept. I'm going to work on that concept. I want to think about it, but I don't want it to be in the forefront of my mind because I don't quite understand it yet. But I kind of just want to have it at the back of my mind. Okay, cool. So we finally break out of the zone, which is really what I wanted all along. We drop down to the 1 hour time frame and see if we can somehow find a way to kind of take part. I'm seeing all these kind of levels where we can kind of come in and enter the market at. See here, we also kind of have a oopsie. Oh, that's not what I wanted. You can see here we kind of have like a minus support here too, right here. I don't know why this thing isn't clicking. There we go. So these are the kind of the areas that I would like to short the market at. We'll just see what price gives me. Let's watch. Okay. Okay. Okay, I like that candle. I like that indecision candle. I like it. I like that indecision candle. We're gonna go with it. For my stop loss placement, I'm kind of seeing this kind of as a zone here. I'm seeing this entire area here. I'm trying not to make this too messy, so let's just make this a different color. So I'm seeing this whole little area here for my stops. Here, but it's a bit too tight, so I'm just gonna look here. There we go. I put this just above here. 48, not too bad. Let's bring it down a little bit though. Just a little bit. Actually, this is also a really good area. Okay, I'm gonna choose this area. My stop. Oh, let's count. No, I'm gonna go back. I'm gonna choose this area. Okay, I like that area. And how am I choosing my stop loss? You can see how we reacted to this level previously. So, kind of want my stops protected. Where am I gonna take partials now is the question. Right here, I would like to stops to break even, and then kind of just watch price from there and see what it does. Something maybe around here, or something around here too. Or from there, we'll just go for the 2% rule, whichever one works. Okay, we're gonna go for the 2%. 2%. Okay, so we're at break even here. We're definitely break even here. I'm waiting for price to wick at 3%, so we can lock in our 2%. If you guys do not know what the hell I'm talking about, don't worry about it. If you watched the previous video, I go down and explain exactly what my risk management strategy is. Okay, so 2% now. Here's my 2%. My stops are currently placed at this 2% level. You can see we wicked at 3%. I wanted to close at 4%, if that's okay. Cool. Did you get a close at 4%? Do you get a close at 4%? Cool. Stops up, I placed at 3%, and I think we're knocked out with this candle. 3%. Perfect. And we're knocked out with that candle. So cool. 3%. Woo! We're up about 3, 6, 8, 3, 6, 9, 11, minus 3. Okay, 8%. Right? Yeah, 11, 8%. Not bad. So, guys, what we do here, we're now going to really kind of break down why I went into this trade and how I went into it, yada, yada, yada. So, text. So, we were kind of ranging, a kind of a range. In the purple area, right? Sorry, excuse me. Waiting for price to break below below the level on 4 hour. So it was literally this entire candle that inspired the push down. And I just want to draw this purple area so I can just kind of have it. So it's kind of this entire zone. Okay, it's not even purple, but let's just change it to gray. Gray, perfect. Gray area. Saved, cool. And you know what we do? We save it. Excuse me about that. Save that there, cool. Go down to the 1 hour time frame and describe why I entered where I entered. Let's remove all of that now. Let's go to distraction. What I saw is that we had two areas that I could have shorted on, right? At this level and this level. So two areas. Right. The price had reacted from. Okay. Wanted a better R and R. Wanted better R and R. So waited for a pull back. Purple was where break even would be. Okay, so saw two areas where price had previously reacted. So let's just make that a yellow. It's fine. We'll make that a yellow. And then partials were going to be taken. Where did I put my partials initially? I can't even remember. I think it was somewhere here, hey, or here. Was it here? I forgot where I said I was going to take partials. No, this was going to be where I was going to take partials. Right? Yeah, no, I remember. So this area was actually the partials. So let's, oh no, I first need to play it out. I want to get to the exact entry. Cool. Tell me what is the exact entry. Got to the first yellow level. So Doji can entered the short, right? Bottom yellow, bottom yellow became my break-even zone, whatever you want to call it. Cool. So then this is where we literally went. This was how we entered. Flesh it out right there. Oopsie. And right here, let's just show the people what happened. You can see, guys, we dropped all the way down to like 4%. We closed below 4%, which means I can move my stops to 3%. So right there, we were closed up for 3%. Oops. Okay, cool. Okay, let's go back up to the 4 hour time frame. So what I want to do is just check 21st of March. Okay, I want to finish 25. I really want to finish this day. Okay, cool. I want to go up into the daily time frame and again kind of look at what I can see, what levels we have on the daily time frame. How important that these levels actually become. I wonder. Because I remember previously looking, I just want to go back and see. Remember I saw these little kind of areas and I said, oh look guys, this is a very interesting place for price. Oh, we broke above and then we broke below it and then we broke. Okay, I see what happened. So which one was actually way more relevant is my question. It was this level, hey. Yeah, it was definitely that level that was kind of a little bit more important / relevant. Okay, that's interesting. Let's do this now. So on the daily time frame, I just kind of really want to see where we're kind of at. Let's just remove all this distraction. Okay, I'm seeing we're at this level here, right? You can see kind of looks like we're in a giant information too. Let me just show you that. See, boom, 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 boom. What I'm also seeing is another mini information here. So price can easily come test the neckline and then continue downwards. So yeah, that's kind of the situation. We also had a very strong support, very strong. Okay, no, here was okay. So resistance, resistance, support, support, possible support, I should say. That's definitely something I'm looking at. So yeah, the only thing I'm really seeing on the daily time frame is this level. Yeah, jump onto the 4-hour time frame now. So what I want to really see from price, I would say, is for it to break above this area or below, right? So let me just kind of flesh this out real quick. There we go. I just want to flesh that out a little bit. I'm also seeing kind of this little lower level. We're going to ignore that for now. Let me just put this up here just for future. Cool. So I want price to kind of break above here, but I think it still has kind of this little area here. So if you can break above and it not be the strongest, craziest candle, I'll definitely be looking for break evens there. Let's just remove all this other stuff. Okay, cool. I'm down. Okay, we didn't break out, which is fine. But I'm not willing to take shorts in here, right? Because you can clearly see this is a it's a possible ranging area. That's what I'll call it, a possible ranging area. If I'm willing to short, I want price to be in this kind of a lower region zone, even though obviously you can clearly find support here, which is just it is what it is. So break above here, I'm interested in a long. Break below here, I'm interested in a short. Let's watch price. Where's my little thingy? Cool. Let's watch price. Okay. 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 I think we're such a weak break, but it's okay. It's a weak break, but it's okay. It's okay. Okay, cool. I'm seeing it's a very weak break actually. It's a very weak break. Let's go back up so far. Wait for another one. Give us a little. You see, yeah, it was really weak. So just keep watching it. Perfect. And it broke above that region. I love it. I love that it broke above there. So I'm looking for kind of a possible entry. Entire zone here. That's a bit of an aggressive approach, if I'm being honest. I don't like it. It's a bit aggressive, but we're gonna go with it. So can I press my stops here or just a little bit below here? That's the question. Let me switch off my phone before it keeps kind of going off. So what I'm seeing here is this little zone here where I can definitely put my stops somewhere here, but I think we'll try to be a little bit more safer with it and kind of place it just a bit below. Okay, where do I want to take my first break even? Somewhere there. Definitely probably somewhere here. I mean, this is also definitely a zone, but that's just it's too tight if you ask me. Right here. I just want to kind of look at price. We consolidated, broke above, can easily break even lower. Okay, cool. We're in this trade. Can be a loss, can be a win. Who the hell even knows? We don't predict the markets, we trade the markets. -1. That's okay. -1%. That's cool. Okay. Go back to daily time frame. Kind of try and spot what I saw. We might even be going in for a deeper retracement, guys, if we're being honest. So I'm not too angry. Maybe I was a bit too aggressive. Okay, cool. Broke out of the ranging zone, right? We broke out of the ranging zone. And broke above I want to call it minor resistance. My spelling is so great today. Cool. Right? Alt S that. Save that. Head down to a lower time frame. Aggressive trade. Entered aggressively. Always gets me. If you watch my previous video, you know this always gets me. Entered aggressively. Didn't really wait for full stop, momentum. So we just take a screenshot of that, save it, give it a second, cool. Paste that down there, and then let's let kind of price right. So you can see we were kind of instantly wrong. Price didn't even give us the time of day. Perfect. Okay, control. Okay, alt. So price did pull back, which is okay. It's not the end of the world. And let's save that. So what I want to see on the 4-hour time frame is probably a very bullish reaction to the zone. So let's watch. There we go. Okay. Like I said, I want to see a very bullish reaction on that zone. Jumped out to the 1-hour time frame. Look at this area again. Let's go up back to the 4-hour time frame. We're moving up, we break up, we're retesting and going above, okay. I would say I'm interested in a long, but I'm wary that this is also kind of a zone here. Very wary of it. There we go. I'm gonna enter the long right around here. I'm kind of seeing something that's a little concerning, but let's just play. Yeah, exactly. I wanted to say something about this. This is definitely a level. This is a level price could not break. And I actually want to check if that was even a daily level. I feel like, let's go back. I'm trying to see if we can go back to a proper day where I can see if it was a level or not. I'll go back to the 26th of March. Yeah, cool. Go back out to the daily. Was this a level? Yeah, so it was kind of like the twin matchy of this. Okay. Yeah, break above. Yeah. Was it? Yeah. Okay. Yeah. No. I saw that. I saw that. Okay. Kind of trying to. I think I've kind of learned a lesson about something like this, which is I have no idea, but is this kind of the kind of a thing we should be looking at or paying attention to or looking out for at this level? Is this just a zone in a bigger zone? Okay, because we come down, M formation kind of a style. So now we're still stuck in double zones. Now we're stuck in this zone and we're stuck in this zone, and I need breakouts on either ends to bring that back. Yeah, no, this was kind of just too obvious for me to handle. Yeah, yeah. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna wait. I wanted to go in for long, but I want to see us below. Sorry. Oh my gosh. I messed that up. Okay, I messed it up. Where were we actually? 2019. This is 2019. What were we doing again? March. 2019, March. I'm trying to kind of guesstimate, but in a smart way. Were we towards the end of March or the beginning? Okay, 26. I remember I was going back to 26. So I'm gonna put it at the 26. I remember 26. Try not to look at the actual candlesticks while I was doing this. So where were we? Okay, we're gonna see the double top there. Come on. Wait, this is where I was, guys. Where's the double top? Let's go up to the 4-hour time frame. I think I recognize the 4-hour time frame a bit better. Okay, yeah, we're fine. Okay, we come up, come down, double top it, break below. Break. Wanted to enter, but I was like, nah, let's wait. Broke below it twice. This was kind of what I was originally looking for when we were still in this kind of lower region. So when we were still a break below this area. But again, this is still strong support. So that's definitely an area I'd be looking to perhaps move my stops to break even too. So I can be a little bit aggressive in this trade. But again, I don't know. Price give me a bit more. Give me a bit more confirmation. I can do that. I can work with that. I can work with that confirmation. I can work with that confirmation. We did break below the zone. Enter. Stops just above this kind of previous low level here. We're gonna wick. No, we're back up. Okay. Back at ignoring zones again. So let's do this. Let's talk about it. I'm willing to talk about it. Text. So break below the lower. So break below the lower range. Okay, let's type that out. Alt S. Control V. 1 hour time frame. How did I enter this? Enter after pullback. After a small pullback. So I kind of just want to write down my reason why I probably should not have been in this trade, and that was that strong support. I have no idea why I like trading into these areas, but it is what it is. Just into shorted at a supply zone. So it's kind of funny because I did this. I've done this before, and I have no idea. Let me drink something. I have no idea why I like to do this to myself, but I really have done it before. So I don't really have an explanation for myself. So it broke through. I mean, I'm not too actually angry about this entry. I'm actually not. Other than the fact that this was also kind of like other reach. I'm not too angry at myself, to be honest. I can kind of forgive myself, but I do feel that I still need to learn from it. Because this was definitely a level, but I saw that and I took the short. I'm just trying to figure out a reason why I should not have. Okay, information. Information on 4 hour. So this month might have been a little bit harsher than other months, I have to say. Yeah. I just want to take Alt S. Okay, sometimes it opens it up. Did I say already -1? Yeah, okay, let's say it again. So what's the sum so far? 6%. 6% is not bad. It's a bit lower than the other days, obviously, but these last 2 trades, I really feel they were kind of unnecessary, but it was just me having, yeah. So jump into 1 hour time frame, because I want to actually see something. Strange as it is, as much as I have lost, I still believe in the short, guys. I actually do believe in the short. So I just want to kind of see what I can see. We're still in March. I really do still believe in the short. I don't know what's wrong with me. Yeah, I'm tripping. So I just kind of see. I want to see what price is going to do. Yeah, there we go. We even broke below this little region. Came back, found strong support. I don't want to enter because now we're really at a zone. And like, am I really going to enter like to take break even? Like, it just doesn't kind of seem worth it. But I just want to watch this a little bit more. Can we come back up a little bit? Okay. If I no. Okay. Okay, let me back up. And we come back up. Okay. I just want to check on the 4 hour time frame what's happening real quick. We have this move and we have this move. And I feel like we're back in the zone that I was talking about. Let me just remove all this other stuff. This is still kind of an area here. I'll move this for now. So kind of faked out. I just want to do this quickly. Put this here and continue. So where we 29th of March around 1 o'clock. Okay. Double formation. Which is usually, that guy might have been right. That guy might have been right. Kind of. Okay. So cool. We try and break down below that area again. Are we still in March? Okay, we're still in March. Maybe I can still enter this trade. I'm gonna enter this trade. Right here. Stops just above here. Let's get it. -1, -1. Okay. -1. It is what it is. So what did I see that I set that? Let's get back to the candle that I initially entered on, which was, I just actually realized that which zone we're at. Did we even break below it on the 4-hour time frame? No, we did not. Okay. Well, you gotta love my belief, guys. You gotta love my belief. Cool. So, not seeing any more trades right now. This is the fall time frame. Fall time frame. It's almost April, so I'm just gonna keep watching price move this a little lower because again, we're ranging a little bit. Hate ranging markets. They're really tough to kind of navigate. And are we officially in April? One more candle, 2 more candles, and we're out of April. And we're in April. So, thank you guys for being here for today's video, for today's GBPGPY March 2019 backtest part 2. We're back tomorrow with another backtest video of April. So I think we ended the month with 6%. Not bad at all. That is not bad at all. I like that. It's not bad. 6%. So that's good. We're up. We're up for the past 3 months so far. And let's get it. Thank you guys for joining, and I'll see you next time.